Look at that picture. Every clan and dialect represented in that picture. Every one of us are resident in Nigeria. We are not like the opposite who are abroad, preaching hatred, telling their people to do another thing. If wahala happen, they will be there and be looking at you, you burn your town. We are here preaching love, organizing unity between among the Igbo dialect. For you to express love, you need to expose hate. And this person is telling me we are doing it because we want to grab land. Thank God I'm not from Anambra or Imo State. Thank God I'm not from Abia State. If I'm from those places I'm making this kind of videos, all of you would have said, that is for Biafra. He's trying to claim Delta State. He's trying to claim River State. I am an Anioma boy, the son of Eze Chime. I'm proudly Igbo. And I'm saying that no matter what you call my region, even if you call it Niger Delta, or you call it the Old Bendel, or you call it Delta State, I identify with Igbo, and you are angry. Tell me why you are angry. You call us Bendel Igbo. You later change it to Delta Igbo. I'm saying now that I'm Igbo, you are angry because of land. So you think that Igbos are looking for land in Delta, but you don't think that you is also looking for land in the same Delta. Because if I said now that I deny Igbo, you will be happy. So that you will say that Niger Delta have more land. You think we don't know the reverse psychology? Nobody is dragging anybody with land. Even if they call here Middle East tomorrow, I'm still going to be identified as an Igbo person. Igbo is my tribe. That's what we are talking about. You want me to deny that I'm not Igbo so that you will say that we are not dragging land? I've told you that in the 21st century, there's no difference between you guys and Fulani because we never pick cutlass. If Fulani are dragging land in the north, you are also doing the same thing here. If they give you a chance, you will fight and kill. Can I tell you, the richest people in the world today does not own land. Land does not give money again. I saw a video, one guy is saying that you don't need to buy land and tie your money on the ground. Invest in another thing is a waste of investment. But you people will not understand. We are in information age. In the 10th, 11th, 12th century, that is when land is richness. That is why Oromia that came from Ile-Ife decided to conquer Idu, because land that time is richness. After conquering Idu, turning to Benin, he decided to conquer down to my place in Anyoma. Those days, owning a land makes you rich, but we are no more in those era. We are not even in industrial era. We are now in information age. The most expensive product in the world today could be a yacht or a private jet. But do you know that the company that makes plane, which is more expensive than every product, are not the richest company in the world? The richest people today are people who own the sky. Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk that own Twitter, the man that own TikTok. These are men who are rich because this is information age, and you are still at this age thinking of land. You honor you well in the Niger Delta. And I'm saying I'm not part of you. Is it not for you to be happy that those who want to share the oil with you are reducing so that you can have enough to share for yourself? The next thing you say is that I'm being sponsored. What I'm doing, money cannot buy it. It's out of passion. People that have money like Wike are denying Igbo. Who am I not to deny them if you give me money? But it's passion. It's because this is who I am. This is where I come from. If you like, claim you are from Benin. It's not my problem. I thank God that none of us has ever said Ijo or Shakiri or Robo are Igbos. When Isaac Boro declared Niger Delta, did he include the Old Bendel? The first time Niger Delta was declared, did he include the Old Bendel? It's not only Bayelsa, and that time Bayelsa has not been graded. It was only Bayelsa and the rivers that he included, the Jaws. Did he include all these people that are claiming Niger Delta, the Shakiri and the Robo? Did he include you people? Okay, when you guys are doing the Niger Delta militant, did they include me as a Niger Delta person? Did you see any of a Nyoma or a car trying to be part of it? How come now I'm saying that we are Igbos, you still want us to join Niger Delta? Niger Delta and our tribe.